Hello. We are pleased to introduce our DataLab testing device, specifically designed by DataAnalist to meet the needs of factories that manufacture electrical installations. Our device consists of a mainboard, a router, and peripheral components. Through the software we have developed, it connects wirelessly to a MySQL database, or MS-SQL if necessary, retrieving all necessary definitions and information. Additionally, it can record important details such as test duration, the operator performing the test, general errors encountered during the test, completion times, etc., into the database and subsequently into the ERP system in use. Currently, our DataLab device can control 20 terminals. Let us explain the operations performed by our software with an example to make it clearer. Imagine that you are producing an electrical installation with 6 terminals and various connectors. If the installation meets the correct conditions according to the structure you introduce into the system, you want to print a test approval label and affix it to the product. First, you need to introduce information such as the company, workplace, parameters, work center, and the active pins in the device at that work center. Into our DataLab software once. Afterward, you should input the terminals of the installation to be tested, and which pins of the device those terminals will be connected to. From this point on, the testing device takes over. Once you connect the installation to the testing device and press the Test button, the DataLab device will first connect to the database to verify whether the defined pins are active, whether the test installation is connected to the correct pins, and identify any missing terminals that are not defined. For example, if there is a definition that pins 7 to 12 and pins 9 to 12 should short circuit, the system will automatically detect, according to Kirchhoff's law, that pins 7 and 12 must also short circuit. It will also check whether the personnel is authorized to perform this test, among many other controls. If the test result is positive, it will print the approval label and record all detailed information related to the printed label for future reference if needed. Our DataLab device is complete and fully operational in its main features. All functionalities can be customized according to the needs and demands of factories after discussions. We would like to inform you that, upon future orders, we are also capable of developing devices that can control 50, 100, 500, or more terminals by conducting the necessary R&D. Our software can be developed in any language as required. Thank you for your attention. If you need any further adjustments, feel free to ask.